After adjusting the height, then you need to go to 你等我一下 go to the interface, then to choose one carton box. 我知道了，那个没开。Go to one carton box, then select it moving. Then it's moving to the founding part. It to the founding part. 可以了吗？
两边的这个三角配件，我们叫三角配。
Change the different carton size. You need to change the part for both sides. Using the screw. Take the part off. So for each roll it's like this. This is the size.
哎呀，这个装的时候这里得注意，要卡在
For here, this
对，
part
卡在外面，不要
needs
装到这里面。
need to install outside like this. It's need to notice.
然后它的前后也是以这条边为准，基本以黑色这个边为准。
Then the front and the end is based on this side. Then you need to see here is the side of this part. It's based on this standard. The another side is rolled in same screen. This part needs to outside here, and the side are based on this black there. Then also this part needs to change too for different carton box size. For folding the noodles or carton. Using the screw and take the part off. This then the middle part for the small carton box. You change these 4 parts, both sides and this field. Then you need to go to this part. Using the screw to take it out. The new one is fixed by the screw like this. Then another side also do the same for change this part. Using this glue.